Domain name extensions. A domain extension is the combination of characters following the period in a web address. Domain name extensions are the last part of a domain name. For example, in ssccglpinnacle.com, the domain name extension is .com. A top-level domain TLD is the rightmost segment of a domain name, located after the last dot. The concept of TLDS was created by ARPANET Advanced Research Projects Agency Network in the 1960s with the goal of easing the process of memorizing IP addresses. The ICANN, the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, classifies top-level domains into different categories depending on the site's purpose, owner and geographic location. Types of domains. Generic top-level domains GTLD. Generic top-level domains, commonly known as GTLD, are the most popular and familiar types of domain extensions. The most common usages of generic top-level domains include .com, it is for commercial sites, .net, it is for networks, .info, it is for information platforms, .biz, it is for businesses, .org, it is for organizations. Sponsored top-level domains, STLD. Sponsored top-level domains are those proposed and supervised by private organizations. Some of the most popular STLs are .edu, it is for higher educational institutions, .gov, it is for United States governmental agencies, .cat, it is for Catalan linguistic and cultural community, travel, it is for travel industry, businesses, museum, it is for museum organizations. Country code top-level domains, CCTLD. Some of the most well-known CCTLD include INTHE, in domain name extension is for the country of India. SS is the Internet Country Code. Top-level domain for the United States. DATHE, the domain name extension is for the country of Germany. UKTHE, UK domain name extension is for the United Kingdom. CNTHE, CN domain name extension is for the country of China. Infrastructure top-level domain. APA, this special category contains only one TLD, the address and routing parameter. Area APA, the APA domain extension, is managed directly by the IANA for the Internet Engineering Task Force IETF. Test top-level domains TTLD. Test top-level domains are reserved for documentation purposes and local testing and cannot be installed into the root zone of the domain name system. There are 4 TTLs. Example, it is for placeholding. Invalid, it is for invalid domain names. Localhost, it is for usage in local networks. Test, it is for testing purposes. Below are some other popular domain names. .size and open extension available for general use, like country code for Libya, but used by many tech startups for creative spellings, like Bitly. Site. A site domain name is a clear indication that you also have a website, and a site can be registered by anyone. TCS previous year's questions. Q1. Match the following list of domain names with their meanings. Domain name meaning. P.net 1. Non-profit organizations. Q.edu 2. Commercial organizations. R.org 3. Educational organizations. S.com 4. Indicates state and national government agencies. 5. Department of Defense. Chair. Network organization. SSC Delhi Police, the 17th of October 2022 evening. A. P1, Q3, R4, S2, B. P6, Q3, R1, S2, C. P6, Q2, R4, S2, D. P5, Q1, R2, S4. Sol. B.net is one of the most popular domain names used by companies all over the world to launch their business online. Edu is short for education. Edu domains are typically used by educational institutions. Org domains are more specialized and typically used for non-profit organizations. The .com domain extension stands for commercial. When introduced, .com was intended for e-commerce sites. Today, it's the most widely used domain extension, serving over half of all websites. Q2. In a web address, the domain indicator suffix.com stands for RRBNTPC. The 12th of January 2021 evening, a computer B communication, C common D commercial. Sol. D. In a web address, the domain indicator suffix.com stands for commercial. It's originally intended purposes for domains registered by commercial organizations. Q3. A domain name is a unique name given to each website on the internet. The last part of the domain name is known as domain extension. Which of the following is a domain extension of any government website? RRBNTPC. The 16th of January 2021 evening, a .netb.mil.c.gov.d.com. Sol. C.gov is a domain extension of any government website. The domain name net is a generic top-level domain GTLD used in the Internet's domain name system. Domain name .mil is for the military. .com is short for commercial. Q4. Match the following domain name extensions with their respective definitions. A .gov. A. Government agencies. B.org. B. Network organizations. C.edu. C. Non-profit organizations. D.net. D. Educational organizations. SSC Delhi Police. The 9th of December 2020 evening, a 1A, 2D, 3C, 4B, B, 1A, 2C, 3D, 4B, C, 1C, 2A, 3D, 4B, D, 1D, 2C, 3A, 4B. Sol. B.gov. Government agencies.org. Nonprofit organizations.edu. Educational organizations and .net. Network organizations. Practice questions. Q1. Domain name extensions are the ______ part of a domain name, a first B middle, C last D front. Q2. What is the domain name in the https://ssccglpinnacle.com? A https BC ssccglpinnacle.com. Q3. What is the full form of TLD in domain name extension? A top-level domain, B top link domain, C top live domain. D top Linux domain. Q4. What is the full form of ICANN? A. The Internet Corporation for Active Names and Numbers. B. The Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. C. The Internet Corporation for Archive Names and Numbers. D. The Internet Corporation for Advanced Names and Numbers. Q5. The concept of TLD top level. Domain was created by A. IACNET. B. ARPANET. C. DNET. D. CNET. Q6. What is the full form of ARPANET? A. Advanced Research Projects Agency. Network. B. Accepted Research Projects Agency. Network. C. Archived Research Projects Agency. Network. D. Assigned Research Projects Agency. Network. Q7. In a web address, the domain indicator suffix.biz stands for a business. B. Bitcoin. C. Bandwidth. D. None of the above. Q8. In a web address, the domain indicator suffix cn stands for a. Canada. B. Country. C. China. D. Chile. Q9. Which of the following is generic? Top-level domains GTLD. A. .edu. B. cnc lig.com. Q10. Which of the following is not? Generic top-level domains GTLD. A. .net. B. info. C. .biz. D. ook. Q11. Which of the following is not country code top-level domains? CCTLD. A. In B C and C D cat. Q12. What is the full form of APA in infrastructure top-level domain? A. The address and routing parameter. Area. B. The advance and routing protocol. Area. C. The address and routing protocol. Area. D. The address and routing parameter. Area. Q13. .NET domain name is the type of a. Generic top-level domains GTLD. B. Sponsored top-level domains STLD. C. Infrastructure top-level domain. D. Test top-level domains TTLD. Q14. .edu domain name is the type of A. Generic top-level domains GTLD. B. Sponsored top-level domains STLD. C. Infrastructure top-level domain. D. Test top-level domains TTLD. Q15. OOC domain name is the type of A. Generic top-level domains GTLD. B. Sponsored top-level domains STLD. C. Infrastructure top-level domain. D. Country code top-level domains CCTLD. Q16. Invalid domain name as the type of A. Generic top-level domains GTLD. B. Sponsored top-level domains STLD. C. Infrastructure top-level domain. D. Test top-level domains TTLD. Q17. Test domain name is the type of A. Generic top-level domains GTLD. B. Sponsored top-level domains STLD. C. Test top-level domains TTLD. D. Infrastructure top-level domain. Q18. ______ domain name is an open extension available for general use. A. .zeisb.com c cnd.edu. Q19. Which of the following is not the test top-level domains TTLD? A. Example. B. Invalid. C. Localhost. D. Like QBs. Which of the following is the test? Top-level domains TTLD. A. .com. B. Invalid. C. .edu. D. Site. Answer key. 1 C2 D3 A 4 B5 B6 A 7 A 8 C9 D10 D11 D12 A 13 A 14 B15 D. Solar D17 C18 A 19 D20 B.